This is bit a typical part. First, actually the three things are involved in this particular feature. One is, once you are going to click on the edit button, this edit button, handle click edit button, and handle delete. So once you click the edit, what should happen? Automatically the pop-up should be visible. The pop-up should be visible once you click on the handle edit. With what data you need to get? The specific data you need to get. Whatever the data in a current record, that data to be coming to the current record, or else a current student. Say this, current student. Okay. The current student is an object. In this object, the current student data will be collected. That should be shown in the particular model pop-up. Okay. So what will be the functionality for handle edit? Handle edit student, what is the functionality? First, I'm going to write the handle edit. Coming here, handle edit. Constant handle edit. In this, the specific student should come. Student. If it's going to, if the button is going to click it, what should happen? Two things should be happen. One is model pop-up should be shown. At the same time, in the model pop-up, the form anyway just we place in the form. In that form, and which edit in which record you edit button you clicked, that particular record should be shown. So first of all, I'm going to write one method. I'm going to call it back. So first of all, what I'm going to do, set show model. Okay. I'm going to make it as a true. By default, it is a false, right? By default, it is a false. Okay. Show model. I make it as a true. That means show model true. Okay. True. Set show model, set show model. I'm going to copy that. Control C, Control V. Okay, set show model true. True is a reserved word. Of course, student. Yes, my problem is this. This is a function, right? Then only it can. Okay. Another problem is you need to get the current data. For that, I'm going to write another function. I'm going to write another function to get the current data. I'm going to make another function, constant handle change. That means it's an event kind of, event target kind of thing, where I'm going to click. That data should be coming here. And sorry, you are going to write the function here. You can destructure that constant, one is name, second one is value, equal to e dot target. Okay, name and value, e dot target. The name in the sense the properties, and the value is the property value it is. Okay. Now I'm going to set the current student. With this, I'm going to get the current student. The current student I'm going to move to here. Set current student. Okay. How? Two things are there. You can by the time, what is the values with a spread operator, current student, and it's a name value. And this is completely the object. Completely the object. That's it. So now on the handle change, you get the current student. This current student, you need to get it here. The current set current student, set current student, set current student. Who is the current student? The student is where you are going to click. The object is the current student. Student. That's it. Okay. I can use this. For example, if I am going to click on the edit, this functionality to be executed. Where you are going to click edit? Here. Handle edit. If you click the handle edit, this is going to execute automatically. What should happen? You need to on this is show model. If you are going to click on the hide, it should be hide. Okay, hide handle close is not our kind of method. It is this is actually given by the React.js. Sorry, React Bootstrap. So I'm going to delete this. Show false. That means actually show pop-up will be the false I'm going to make. How we can? Click on hold button primary. This one the primary. See, once you click the edit button, this will be open. And if you want to hide it, what should happen? There is a function to be executed. Set show model is false, right? Yes. False. At the same time, even the close also, you need to handle the same. If you are going to click on the close button, here is the close button, right? Where is that? This is close button. Even here also, what you need to do, just instead of the on hide, on click. On click. On click equal to in the curly braces, function start and function close, and set model will be the false. Okay. I'm going to write the function here later. First of all, see, this is very, try to understand it, is very typical it is. What is the main intention is, for example, if you are going to click that, you are getting the model pop-up. In the model pop-up, the values should be automatically generated. Value should be automatically generated. So anyway, you connected with the current. You connected with the current student, right? So current student dot s name, current student dot age, current student dot grade. You need to represent this as a value. Then only it will be visible in the model pop-up. I'm going to delete this. Just a minute. Let us see this. Very clearly చూడండి ఇది. కరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్ అంటే ఎవరు? మీరు ఎడిట్ అని క్లిక్ చేసిన వెంటనే ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ ఎడిట్ అని క్లిక్ చేసిన వెంటనే ఇదని చూసారా? ఇందులోకి ఈ స్టూడెంట్ అనే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రావాలి. ఈ స్టూడెంట్ అనే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎవరు అంటున్నారు? ద కరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్. ద కరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్ అనేది ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లో స్టూడెంట్ లో ఉండేవాళ్ళు. ఈ స్టూడెంట్ దీన్ని కరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్ పంపిస్తున్నారు కదా. స్టూడెంట్కి ఏమేమి ఉంటున్నాయి? మీకు రెండు ఉంటున్నాయి, ఎస్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఏజ్ అండ్ ద గ్రేడ్. నేను అదే ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యు ద సేమ్. రైట్. The current student means the current student to be carried to the particular form. So current student dot names, current student dot name, in the sense, in this name you are getting first s name, second age, then grade. ఇలా వస్తాయి. దాంతో పాటు ఈ నేమ్ అనేది సెట్ కరెంట్ ఇవి స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇదంతా కాంబినేషన్. అది ఈ కాంబినేషన్ 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ కాబట్టి ఈ 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ దీంట్లోకి వస్తాయి. ఓకే, చూసారు, కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. ఐడి అండ్ ఎస్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఏజ్ అండ్ గ్రేడ్ వచ్చాయి. ఇదే స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట అసలు అది. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు నేను దీన్ని తీసుకుని ఏం చేస్తానంటే సింపుల్, ఇందులో కరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్ డాట్ ఎస్ నేమ్ కదా, ఎస్ నేమ్, ఏజ్ కాబట్టి కరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్ డాట్ ఏజ్ అండ్ కరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్ డాట్ గ్రేడ్. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో షో మోడల్ ఫాల్స్ చేసుకున్నాం. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ద క్లిక్ చేస్తే you executing this two. One is you are collecting the content from there on the handle change, and second thing is handle change అక్కడ నుంచి డేటా కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటుంది. Second thing is on the edit it is going to show the data. It is going to show the data అంటే something, it's a model pop-up. ఓకే, మోడల్ పాపప్. ఓకే, సో దీనిపైన వర్క్ చేద్దాం. ఇది కనిపిస్తుంది లేదా ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం. సో హ్యాండిల్ చేంజ్, ఆన్ చేంజ్, హ్యాండిల్ చేంజ్. Now coming here, if you edit anyway, you are getting this. It is coming with the respective values. If you are going to change it, saves changes to be happen, but it's not happening because you are not writing any functionality for this. First, finally we can write that. We can write that. How? Almost we completed the application. Handle the save changes. Think very logically. You are handling Which one? Under server, this functionality you are initiating from the save changes. You are initiating this functionality from there. Okay, for to this, you are sending the data from the model pop-up. This data will come from the model pop-up from the request.body and it will be updated here. So we know all these things. But initiating from the front end is the typical part. Okay, just coming here, handle change, constant handle save. I will write like this, handle save equal to like this. Okay, I will write this. What is your what do you say? Endpoint? Fetch that. Fetch HTTP /local host colon 5000 slash update student, and who is your in the while you're deleting, just you click on the something ID, $ID. Now your current student, you're modifying the current student. Just a dollar. Where is a dollar? Dollar current student dot underscore ID. You are sending this value. You are sending this value. From here to here. Okay. That's it. Small confusion. Okay. Along with this is completely one content, right? Along with this, what you need to send, one is the, in the something deletion, while you're deletion, you send one method, right? Method delete. In the same way, method to be sent, but along with the method, the entire JSON file to be sent. Okay. So I'm going to keep those two things in one object. One object. One is the method put. Second properties, headers. Headers. You need to you need to tell to the backend as the JSON file is coming, because actually it's you are sending the current student, entire current student object as a JSON file. So that you need to tell the headers. What is that? Content type. Content type is application slash JSON. Okay, over. So over. This is closed up to here. This is closed up to here. And then another thing is body JSON dot stringify current student. That's it. Body You're you're sending the data through the body. So JSON dot stringify correspondent. Entire object will be converted like a string and is going to send this. Okay. Just you can keep this is the static code it is. As a updation area, this is a static code. Whatever the something in even the future projects also if you are going to write, just follow this. Okay, cool. Now this is over, right? And two then say anyway. Then okay, again, then the, after that catch over. So in the first then response. Response response data and sorry response data response.json response.json. The second level data to be initiated. JSON, and this is the method. And in this area, two things should be happens. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ సేవ్ అవుతుంది కదా. Once you save this, automatically the pop-up should be closed. Second thing is fetch students should be updated. Reason is once you updated that, once the fetch students function is executed, the updated the fetch student shows the data with the updated students. That will be regenerated again. Okay, two things I'm going to call. Two functions I'm going to call. One is I'm going to keep two things in an object. One is set show model false. Second thing is fetch students is a function. You should call. Once you fetch it, automatically updated data will be propagated. Data will be propagated in this table. So over. Actually, something functionality is over. Now I'm going to write the error handling. Error console.log, error something error updating the record. And so you can tell the user what is the error. So I'm thinking it will be get finished without any issues. Okay, edit. So okay, but in the save changes, this should be called. In the save changes, this should be called. Where the save changes are? Here. Here, on click equal to handle change handle save. Handle save. Okay. Let's see. This is the final step, right? Edit. Instead of the ABCD, instead of the ABCD, why? What happening? Why? This is not saving is going to happen. Edit. Okay, it is coming. Control S. Yes. Actually, you're not executing any parameter passing is not happening, right? I will try it like this. Directly you are executing the function. Edit. Okay. Right. As a final touch up, bug fixing. So you're not going to carry the update student, delete student, and this is the process. Localhost 3000. Actually, the problem is delete is working, but ultimately the data is coming back. From the front end only it's deleting, it is not going to send it back. Reason is if you are going to enter it again it is coming. So the reason is the code is working in the front end, it is not working in the back end. Okay. So the problem just we need to find out it is okay. So it's coming completely the string. Whenever you are going to add the parameter, don't use the quotes, use the backticks. Backtick, sorry. It is above the left side to the something one keyboard. Okay, automatically you got highlighted. In the same way, even here also you can do this. Like this and this. Cool. Now I can try this. I deleted it. Again, I'm going to get it is not coming. That means that feature is working. Now, edit instead of the Madhavi, S I'm going to make. Save changes. It's not working. Why? Come back. What is your method? Handle change. Is it correct? Handle change or right or something else? Just check your handle save is assigned but never use it. That means you made handle save, not handle change. Handle save, handle change. It is handle change. Handle save, handle save. Control C. Coming here. That's it. Control V. That's it. Yeah, it's coming perfect. Perfect. Come back. Close. Edit. S. Save change. But there is a problem. F12. Line 1, column 1, syntax error. Manifest. And coming here. In the server, here you are getting an ID for the model student. Delete ID. Constant object failed to value ID. Let us see this. I'm going to make it a Control C, Y, enter. NPM start. Okay. I will try to delete another one. Is there an error is coming? No. No error is coming. Again, edit Kiran. Save changes. It won't work. Now come back here. It's nothing error is coming. Error. If it is not going to happen, some error should come, right? F12. The message port closed before responding was received. Maybe. Yes, as a last attempt, ultimately everything is fine, but actually something the data is not going to say why, just we can check it out. This is okay. Handle changes not defined. Handle changes not defined. Where we used the handle change? Yes. Okay. Here what we need to do, we need to use the save. Updated data should be saved. This particular, not this, here. This function to be called on click equal to handle save. Okay. Now we can check it out. Yes. Admin update. So I can delete this. I can check the edit instead of the Kiran Kumar, Kiran Rathod. Save changes. Yes. Successfully we finished it. First thing is add student. Here I'm going to add the student. And the age is 22 and your grade is A plus. Just submit it. Added successfully. Student data, Maithili is successfully added. And coming to this, update then delete. Maithili is coming. And I would like to delete the Maithili. And if you need to something change this Vishnupriya's update record, Vishnupriya, Vishnu A, save changes. Okay. If you are going to edit and the close, of course, it's coming. Edit and the close, yes, of course. Successfully, we completed end-to-end application about the CRUD operations and the handling the data from the front end. Okay, I'm going to send the file also in the GitHub repository. Along with that, these videos I'm going to send. Just try to participate it and just read it. And the second thing is JWT authentication, role-based. For example, update and delete should be accessed by the admin and add student accessed by the some faculty. Okay. And this will be open, like something any student can see, something like that. In that way, role-based JWT authentication to be created. So in the next session, I'm going to handle that. Thank you and do the perfect practice.